Your Honor, the state would call Harvey Shropshire.
Sorry, sir, please stop doing that. Please place your left hand on the Bible, raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Thanks, please. Please say your name for the record.
Harvey Shropshire. Shropshire is spelled S-H-R-O-P-S-H-I-R-E.
Agent Shropshire, with whom are you employed?
South Carolina Law Enforcement Division, or SLED.
And how long have you been with SLED?
25 years total, 31 years in total.
Congratulations. And what are your main duties for SLED?
I'm a tech agent.
Okay, what is a tech agent?
One part of my jobs is audio and video enhancements for the state.
For SLED?
Yes, sir.
All right, so tell this jury how that works.
Well, what we do in tech services, once we had that part of the division is whomever, it has to be local law enforcement or federal, we bring the product to us and we input that information into the computer to a format in which it recognizes.
And are you basically working enhancement software?
Yes, sir.
And have you had any special training on that enhancement software?
Yes, sir.
What type of training?
Through the company that we use is the computer system is adjudicated. They send us off to Cary, North Carolina for training.
And how long is that training?
Well, it's ongoing, yearly software update. And once you get your certification, you certify to enhance video and audio through the system.
And what are the abilities of this software?
It's only enhanced what's given to us. We can't change anything. Matter of fact, when someone brings us a video, we dump it into the system, we give the original back to whomever brings it to us, and we enhance while they're there, tell us what they need and want. And we enhance it from a still shot, and also we put it on a CD or DVD form.
And then is that what you return back to law enforcement who requests it?
Yes, sir.
Is it typically requested by law enforcement that you assist them in enhancing some sort of video?
Only law enforcement. We don't do it for the general public. Yes, sir.
And does it matter where the video came from? If it came from a Ring camera or a Nest camera or any of the like, does it matter?
It doesn't matter. Whatever format they bring it to us. If it's analog or digital, we dump it into the system. Of course, we got to have a means of dumping it into the system. Through a VHS tape, we put it into the system, and it converts into a format we can enhance.
So in this particular case, did law enforcement request you to enhance some videos?
Yes, sir.
And did you do that for them?
Yes, sir.
Already admitted into evidence is videos of 121 canebrake, 133 canebrake, 207 Saratoga, and 116 canebrake.
Yes, sir.
Did you have the occasion to dump those items into your system and assist law enforcement in enhancing those?
Yes, sir. And once we dump it into the system, whatever we finish, we always put it on a CD or a DVD, and we mark it and give it back to whatever department brings it to us.
I'm going to show you some, and can you create stills enhancement from video?
Yes, sir, we can.
And how do you do that with this video?
The system, we make sure our system's never on the network, so no one can have access to it. Only the persons who are there to enhance the video. So once we do that, we have a printer that's set up for the particular enhancement machine, and we print it from there and give it to whomever needs it.
And so you print them out right there?
Yes, sir.
And that's the enhanced part of the video?
Yes, sir.
So you can, I guess, see deeper into the picture,
right.
in essence?
And also, we also give those printed videos or printed still shots onto that same media, so that officer will have that same stuff too as well. He or she also go
And
print
then they
it.
take that
Yes,
media
sir.
with them.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, I'm going to show you what's been marked as. I hate wearing glasses. I'm going to show you what's been marked as States Exhibit 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and 23. I'm going to ask you if you recognize these. Please take your time looking.
Yes, sir, I do.
And so, what did you do with States Exhibit 14 that you would do in your computer?
Well, first, when we download the information to the computer, the officer who's there that needs the information, we comb through all the different video shots or some cases still shots, and he said, well, this is the point of interest here, so I take the point of interest and actually magnify what's there. I can't change anything. I can't add anything to it. I can magnify what's there by zooming in on it, putting a highlight on it, like you see them circles on there, things of that nature.
All right, so I'm going to show you States Exhibit 16 as well. Describe what you did on that one in particular.
Well, one of the things we try to do is, if we have a person of interest, if you can get the video and comb it and follow it to where he or she is going to get some type of identifying marks off the person. In some cases like this, when it's a long distance like this, we tell that person, whoever the police officer is, hey, this guy's of a certain height or a certain build. Whereas he and she can go back to wherever the crime has happened, he can mark it and pinpoint how tall that person is. We do the same thing when it comes to bank robberies as well. We try to get to him in the doorway to figure out how tall he is or how wide he or she is.
And so in this case, did you enhance a particular area?
Yes, sir. The front doorway, you can see the individual with a white sweatshirt, appeared to be a white sweatshirt on, and it looked like a backpack.
Your Honor, State moves Exhibits 16 through 23 into evidence.
You've already viewed those when we do not have an objection.
No objection. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and 23 come in as states exhibits. They come into evidence.
All right, Agent Shropshire, I'm going to ask you about States Exhibit 15. That would be 133 cane brake. Was that taken down to you for enhancement as well?
Yes, sir.
All right, and I'm going to show you States Exhibits 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Ask you to take a look at those and see if those are the stills that you assisted law enforcement in enhancing.
Yes, sir.
And are those the photos that you were asked to enhance off that video cameras that you received?
Yes, sir.
Are they true and accurate
Yes, sir, it is.
representations? And where did you focus your enhancement on these particular on exhibits 24 through?
On the individual on the bicycle, because it's not known for a person to ride a bicycle with a face mask on. So I try to get it's a pretty tall bike. I'm 6'5" myself, so the person had to be a good sized person. So I tried to get some type of features of the person, individual riding the bike, say for instance, the mask he had on, and also he was dressed in all black.
Your Honor, State moves exhibits 24 through 30.
I'm sorry, that's my blood meter. I'm sorry, sir. That's somebody. I thought it was turned off. It's still ringing. I'm sorry.
24 through 30, Your Honor. Make sure I got them right.
We have no objection on it.
No objection. States exhibits 24 through 30 come into evidence.
And then I'm going to refer you to State's Exhibit 12, where you asked to enhance photos on that particular ring camera.
Yes, sir.
And that is 207 Saratoga. I'm going to show you State's Exhibits 31 through 36. See if those are the photos that you assisted law enforcement in enhancing.
Yes, sir. Point of interest. Yes, sir.
And how did you? And I noticed there's a circle around it. Is that part of your software to help enhance it?
Yes, sir. It is. Right. What it does, we tell the computer to zoom in on the moving object, and once we zoom in on it, in some cases, if the sun is shining directly on the camera itself, we try to even the playing field, you might say, make it so that it's like it's normal. And that's what we did at that point in time, is put a circle around it, because the sunlight itself was almost blinding the camera.
So, Mr. Agent Shropshire, I'm going to show you State's Exhibit 16. This is a good test run. Explain to this jury, and Agent Shropshire, you don't know anything about this case.
No, sir, I don't.
All right, and so I want you to talk about the circle and the enhancement.
When we get cases in from all different departments, we really have a ball in the game. That's why we say we bring the officer in and tell us what he or she wants when we do these enhancements. And this is one of the cases where you got the camera shooting from a dark spot into a light spot to another dark spot, which is across the street. So we put the enhancement, we tried to put focus on the individual that's in the doorway by using light and darkness of the enhancement system itself.
If you'll answer any questions, defense counsel.
Yes, sir.
No questions for this witness. Thank you.
Appreciate it, sir.
or with anyone. We're going to take a short break, and then I anticipate 10 to 15 minutes, and then we will resume testimony for the remainder of the afternoon. Okay? Thank you again.